Join me as I dive into the world of books and challenge myself to find the top reads that can lead us to financial freedom. Achieving financial freedom is a dream for many of us. It's about living life on our own terms, without the constant stress of money worries. Books have been a game changer for me in this journey, offering insights, strategies, and inspiration to take control of our finances. From practical guides to mindset-shifting stories, the right books can be a powerful tool in achieving financial freedom. One common misconception about financial freedom is that it's only for the wealthy or privileged. The truth is, anyone can achieve it with the right mindset and knowledge. Many people face barriers such as debt, lack of financial education, or simply not knowing where to start. I've been there too, feeling overwhelmed by financial jargon, unsure of how to invest, and worried about making mistakes. But the more I read, the more I realize that financial freedom is within reach. Another barrier is the fear of failure or making mistakes with our money. We've all heard horror stories about people who've lost everything due to bad investments or financial decisions. But the reality is, mistakes are an inevitable part of the learning process. What's important is that we learn from them and move forward. Financial freedom isn't about being perfect. It's about making progress and staying committed to our goals. Many people also believe that financial freedom requires a lot of money. But it's not just about how much we earn. It's about how we manage our money. With the right strategies and mindset, we can achieve financial freedom even on a modest income. It's about being intentional with our spending, saving, and investing. Some people also think that financial freedom is only for those who are young or have a lot of time to invest. But it's never too late to start. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or beyond, you can still take control of your finances and work towards financial freedom. So, what books can help us achieve financial freedom? One of my favorites is The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This book offers practical advice on getting out of debt and building wealth. Another great book is Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez, which provides a comprehensive framework for achieving financial independence. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins is also a must-read, offering straightforward advice on investing and achieving financial freedom. The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach is another great book that shows how automating our finances can help us build wealth. These books have helped me shift my mindset and develop practical strategies for achieving financial success. But don't just take my word for it. There's countless stories of people who've transformed their financial situation using the knowledge gained from these books. One such story is that of a friend who was struggling with debt and financial insecurity. After reading The Total Money Makeover, she created a plan to pay off her debt and start saving. It wasn't easy, but with determination and the right strategies, she was able to pay off her debt and start building wealth. Today, she's financially independent and living life on her own terms. Stories like my friend's are a testament to the power of books in achieving financial freedom. They offer us inspiration, motivation, and practical advice to take control of our finances. The key insights from these books are simple yet powerful. Financial freedom is within reach, but it requires the right mindset and knowledge. By reading books like The Total Money Makeover, Your Money or Your Life, The Simple Path to Wealth, and The Automatic Millionaire, we can gain the insights and strategies we need to achieve financial success. If you're interested in achieving financial freedom, I encourage you to check out these books and start your own journey. And if you have a favorite financial book, please leave a comment below and let me know what you've learned from it. Don't forget to watch my next video on budgeting strategies. It's packed with practical tips to help you take control of your finances.